Hello guys, welcome to Techno Tuner. Today I am going to show you how to install the Cricket 2017 patch for EA Cricket 2007 game. So let's get started. So firstly you have to search Google. EA Cricket 2017 patches. So here's the first link, just click it. Scroll down and you will see the download link. Just hit the download just hit the link and download the file. So after completion of download, the file will be downloaded named Cricket 17 by Fiji. So I will extract it in my existing folder. So it will take about 3 to 4 minutes, so I will pause my video. Welcome back guys. The file has been extracted successfully. Here it is. So we see many images folders herein. So firstly I will show you Cricket 17. That's very important folder as it contains the important files for the patches. And in Cricket 17 kits pack, you'll see the champions teams kits, ODI kits, RCB kits, World T20 kits. So just go into kits, ODI kits, and select all, copy all, and in the root directory folder, which is the first folder, just paste it. So similarly you have to do for all the folders. So in third folder, which is EA Sports Cricket 7, the most important folder, as it contains the most important files, which is the profile, the roster files. You just have to select all, copy all, copy, and in documents we see the EA Sports Cricket 7 file. So just paste it. So we navigate to fixtures folder, that is fourth folder, and here we see the .rsj file, which is the root directory file, and we just have to copy it and paste it into the root directory folder for the 2017 patch. So paste it. And in fifth, which is World Cup 2016, as it's a mega patch, it will take some time to set up the game. So but after setting up it will work fine. So in overlay menu, there are many folders, but we just have to choose one which you like, and I choose ICC World T20 2016, which is latest one. So there's a JPEG image. So here we see at the bottom the 2016 overlay graphics. It's a pretty good graphics. So just go into Star Sports logo, select all, copy, and paste it in the Cricket 70 folder. So we are ready to go. Hit the Cricket 17.exe. It's working fine. That's the interface of Cricket 17 by Fiji. Background music has been changed very much. So firstly you have to navigate to Cricket 17 settings, and then load or save, and in load you have to select Cricket 17 profile. It will load the Cricket 17 profile, and again you just navigate to Cricket 17 settings, load or save, load, and in roster you can select any of roster. If you want ODI players, so select ODI roster. If you want T20 players, so select T20 roster. So similarly for test, so I will select T20. So it will list all the players for all the teams playing for the T20 side. So there are many new teams including Afghanistan, Australia, Bangladesh, England. So thank you for watching. I hope you like. Just like, comment, subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you.